Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a GitHub account and a compatible editor. Once confirmed, install the GitHub Copilot extension for VS Code or the JetBrains plugin. Sign into GitHub from the editor, grant the extension permission. Make sure extension updates are applied. This prevents mismatches. Now create a small test repository or open an existing project so Copilot has context. Once done, place your cursor in a code file and request a suggestion to verify the connection. Next, configure Copilot to suit your workflow. Tweak suggestion frequency, inline hints, and file type priorities in settings. Then use how prompts work. Write a clear comment or start a function signature so Copilot understands intent. You can accept a suggestion, edit it, or cycle alternatives with keyboard shortcuts. Make sure to review generated code for style and logic. Copilot learns from context, so more precise prompts yield better results. Once comfortable, integrate suggestions into tests and commits. To finish, validate Copilot output by running your test suite and linters. This ensures correctness and style compliance before committing. If suggestions vanish or behave oddly, first restart the editor and check extension updates. If that fails, revoke and reauthorize GitHub authentication or reinstall the plugin to clear tokens. Make sure to capture logs if problems persist. You can report them to GitHub support. One key tip: clear editor cache or disable conflicting extensions as a fast troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.